Assalamu alaikum all of you. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. For you all, mashallah. So, as per instructions already I had given to you, I am repeating that. Please turn off the cameras. First thing. Another thing is that do not write or speak anything in Urdu. And the third and most important is please, after asking the question, mute yourself. Is it clear, Mantasha? Please, Mantasha, not following. Mantasha, beta, mute yourself. I am speaking, so you have to listen only, okay? When you have to question me or when you have to ask anything, then you answer. Unmute yourself.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. Please turn off the camera. Please turn off your mic.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Yes, students. How are you all? Alhamdulillah, hope fine. Huh?
Fine, alhamdulillah.
So, friends, I am starting your class, okay? And
Assalamualaikum.
Islam, rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes, questions, you completed your exercise, all of you?
Sir, one question I'm not understanding.
Okay, please tell me. Listen one thing.
Assalamualaikum
Question
number 7.
Question number 7. Okay, I am just explaining to you. Okay, please listen this instruction very carefully. Only when you have to ask question, at that time you have to unmute yourself only at that time. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Okay, don't. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so immediately after.
Sir, it is math period.
It's your math period. Please turn off your mic. Okay, I'm starting. Okay, this is your mathematics period and question number 7. I am discussing it. Okay, I'm sharing the screen first, and after that I can. Okay, so in question number 7, what is given? Yamini had a box of full 64 erasers. Okay, in a box there are 64 erasers, and she gave 3/4 of them to Deepti.
Those are 24 erasers.
24 erasers. Okay, beta.
बदतमीजी कितनी करी है इसने देखा आपने?
Beta, who is this? Are not following the instructions? Huh? On the daily basis, I am saying these instructions to you. Abdullah, why you open your mic? Fawaz, why you open the mic? Beta, I am telling you question number 7 first. Turn off your mic. Okay, so I am explaining total erasers we are having is total erasers. How many total erasers we are having?
24.
24. Okay, and Deepti, how many it is given to Deepti?
3/4.
3/4.
3/4 of 24.
Of 24.
Okay, so how many Deepti gets? Means what's the fraction?
Sir, I can tell how to. Sir, I can
Okay.
tell.
Listen, I am telling.
Into 24.
On simplification.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi
4
wabarakatuh.
divided by 24, it is equal to 6.
4
4 24.
and 4 6 are 24. So here it comes
Then 3 6 are 18.
18. So 18 will be the number of erasers. Okay, which is
Which is
left,
given to Deepti.
which is left to Yamini. Oh, sorry,
Sir,
which is
six.
this
Which is given to Deepti.
this is the number of erasers given to Deepti, and when you subtract it, okay, from total numbers
From 24.
from 24, when you subtract
So
it,
sir, answer will be 6.
then
6.
okay, then will be it's your 6. Okay, clear, beta? Is it clear to all of you?
Sir, which question you are doing?
Beta,
Yes,
I
sir,
am
this question is clear.
7. Yes, beta. Any other doubt?
Yes,
in
sir,
the
it is
exercise?
clear.
Mashallah, mashallah. Yes, any other question which you are unable to solve?
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to ask you question number 3rd. So I know answer, but I am not getting how to solve it.
Okay. Hamza, ask the question and turn off your mic immediately. Any student, anyone of the student, after asking me the question, turn off your mic immediately. You are asking question number 3. Hamza?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Question
beta.
number 3rd.
I am telling to you. I am sharing the screen, then I tell you, okay? So in this question, what a fraction of a day in 6 hours? So what in a day?
6
Day.
star.
Day. And in a day, how many hours you are having?
24.
So this is complete
24.
as a whole.
24.
And
24.
24, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way, your 24 hours are there. Complete day. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And okay. So in 24 as a whole, the complete day, you take 6 hours. Okay.
Tell, please page number.
It is on page number 63, question number 3. I'm telling this question number 3. So 24 is a whole day, and number of parts or number of hours you are taken is 6. So what's the fraction it become?
Sir, 1/4
1/4, sir.
per day. Of a day.
Okay.
Sir, 1/4.
1/4. How it comes? It comes in this way when you divide, because 6 is the number of parts you are taken, number of parts.
How
Okay,
you
and
get
this is the whole day hour. Beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what question are you telling?
Beta, it's question number 3.
Sir, what is not coming?
Beta, please
Sir,
check
your
your,
voice is clear.
beta, please check your connection again. So how many?
Sir, please tell which question were you telling?
Beta, I'm telling question number 3 of exercise 5.1 on page number 63.
Can you explain question number 4 also?
Sure, beta. It is as same as question number 3. In this question, what you have to do in this, what is given, what a fraction of an hour in 60 and 30 minutes. So it is given hour. We know that in 1 hour there is,
60 minutes.
in 1 hour there is 60
So-
minutes. See, beta. Yes,
Sir, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes.
60 minutes.
sir.
60 minutes is the whole thing, and part is equals to 30 minutes. Beta, please. Okay, beta, mute yourself. Who is speaking behind?
Okay, sir, I got it now.
So what's the
Sir,
fraction?
which example is going on with active?
30 upon 60. Okay, so you
Sir,
cancel
which
it.
exercise is going on?
Beta is 5.1.
will be 2.
You are not attentive in the class. Huh? You are not attentive in the class. You are not attentive in the class. What exercise is going on? You didn't attend the last lecture. Huh? You didn't see the assignment. Okay. It is 1/2.
Exercise assignment.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
okay. So I am moving forward. Okay. And still, if you have any query, please ask me fast.
Sir, I have done this chapter.
MashaAllah. Very good.
5.8. So done. Sir, this is easy chapter.
This is a easy chapter. Basically, math is easy. This chapter is not easy. Math is one of the easiest subject. Okay.
No, sir, math is not easy.
Beta,
Math is not easy, but this chapter is
Yes, sir. Chapter
Okay.
easy, but math is not easy.
Chapter.
Okay, beta, listen. Listen, Mantasha, and I am again saying that you ask the question. You are not talking right now to me. So why are you turn on your mic? Just now, yesterday, before yesterday, again and again, I am repeating the instructions. Should I take any action? Should I inform to particular person that he or she is not following the instructions? So, if you practice any subject, it will become easy. This is the answer. Okay, whatever difficult, practice makes anything easy. Okay, so if you any student having some problem in question exercise 5.1, do ask me. Just students. Okay, I am moving to the next topic. Yes, Fayyaz, yes, beta. Okay, so go to page number 64 and open your book and go to page number 64. Types of fraction. Okay, today's topic is
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum Assalam, beta.
Sir, you can tell.
Sir, I cannot understand
Which
question number
subject?
8 of example of exercise 1.
Question number.
Sir, which subject you can take? I am leaving.
Determine. So question number 8.
Question number 8.
Sir, he is disturbing.
Beta, mute
Sir?
your. Yes. Yes, what happened, beta?
Sir, which
Question number
subject?
8.
Okay, I am telling you first question number 8. Okay, mute yourself, everyone. Sayyid Muhammad
Please tell
Az.
question number.
Abdul Ahad, wait. I am telling you question number 8 first. Okay, mute everyone. Abdul Ahad, I am telling you question number 8. Walaikum Salam. Okay, listen and mute yourself. Rubina, mute yourself. It's question number 8. Determine 2/3 of a collection of 15 books. Okay, how many books you are total have? 15 books you are total having. Okay, out of which you are taking 2/3 of the 15 books. So what will be the fraction of 2/3 of 15? And this is question number 8, first part. At 2/3 of 15 books. Of stands for multiply. Okay, so you divide it 3 into 1 is 3 and 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, and then you multiply with 2. Okay,
5 to the
so
10.
5 into 2 will be your 10. Okay, so this is your answer for second part.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, we have to solve like this only in notebook also.
Beta,
We have to write a whole solution.
no, beta, this is mathematics. Do not write anyone directly the answer. You have to solve the numericals. Okay, so that I should know the method, what method you are getting. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, so 7 4 times is 24, 28, and 5 4
5 for the 20.
20. So your answer is 20. Is it clear, beta, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, your
Sir.
question. Yes, okay, very good. Yes, any more question? Please tell.
Yes,
I
sir,
have,
I'm having.
please, beta, go ahead.
Yes, sir. I want to ask you this fifth question. Third and fourth, but I'm not understanding whose numerator and denominator is added to 9.
Okay, okay, beta. I am telling you question number 5. Okay,
Yes,
question
sir.
number 5, third part. Is it clear, beta? Whose numerator
Yes, sir.
and denominator is add up to 9. So take any number. Let's say 5 upon 4. Okay, then you are taking such that the sum of numerator and denominator becomes 9. So here numerator is 5 and denominator is 4. Okay,
And denominator is 4.
and its sum is 9. Take anyone.
3.
3 upon 5. 3 upon 6.
6.
3 upon 6. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to
Okay, sir.
beta? Clear to you?
7.
Yes,
Sir, it is clear.
The fourth one.
anything, any fraction you will take, but what is the
Okay,
question?
sir.
What's we have to do? We have to take such numerator and denominator. When we add the numerator and when we add the denominator, the sum will come to 9. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any more question, or should I move further? Next topic.
Wait a minute, sir. Sir, what a fraction of a day is 6 as how the answer we will write of this?
Question. Tell me the question, beta.
3, sir, 3.
What a fraction a day? So first of all, how many hours in a day?
understand this.
24 hours.
Okay,
24 hours.
20 in a day you have 24 hours.
Sir, it equals to
Yes, sir.
24 hours.
Sir, 24 hours.
Beta,
And,
and
and sir,
6 hours
This question is
hours given is 6. Okay, so
Yes,
so
fraction.
we will so we will divide
we will divide
6 divided by 4.
By 24.
6 upon 24, 6 1 is 6, 6 4 is 24. 1 upon 4.
Okay, beta. Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am moving to the next topic, and if you have any more queries, you can message me on my number, beta. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Beta, I am again telling you, go on practicing. It is your this subject will become your favorite subject, inshallah, and this subject will become your easiest subject. I am telling you the truth. Mathematics is one of the easiest subjects. Okay, you can text me if any type of questions you are not able to understand. Text me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So beta, open page number 64, and I'm starting 5.4. That is types of fraction.
okay, sir. Types of fraction.
Yes, sir.
Beta, who is this, beta? Beta, mute yours. Immediately mute. What is the reason why you are not following it? If you have to ask anything, immediately you should put your finger on the mic, so that after asking the question, you just click it again, so that the mic will turn off immediately. Okay. The first one is your like fractions. First one is,
Sir, there are many types of fraction.
beta, I am telling you. Beta, listen to me. Farhan, beta, you are drawing the line. Should I inform? Beta, why are you not following?
mistake.
Sir, like, unlike, proper fraction are there.
Okay, so like fraction. What is like fraction basically?
Yes, sir. There are many types of fraction like
fraction,
fraction, unlike fraction, proper
Having the same
fraction,
denominator are called
and improper fraction.
That denominator numerator
having the denominator same.
Beta, mute
called
yourself.
like
Immediately mute yourself. All of you. Having same
Sir,
denominator. Yes, beta.
sir, which chapter?
Beta, I am taking fraction, chapter number 5. Okay, so Like fractions are those fractions having same denominator. Examples are take 1 upon any fraction, 1 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 9 upon 5.
4.5.
So fractions denominators are same. So these are like fraction. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Sir,
moving-
the denominator should be same to numerator.
no. Only in numerator you can take any number. Okay.
like number. Sir, the like numbers are up one is bigger and down one is up one is same and down one is
Beta, listen to me. Listen to me first.
other.
Listen to me. You have to write fraction like such
Like
that
it.
listen such that your denominator should be same. No matter what
Yes,
the
sir.
numerator is, your denominator should be same for like fractions. Is it clear? Is it
Yes,
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now-
Like
Sir, in
fraction.
fraction
The same denominator is not same and the numerator is same. In a like.
Only one thing you have to remember, just make your denominator same. When you make the denominator same, it will automatically become a like fraction. Is it clear, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, now moving to yes.
Yes, sir. I have understood like fraction.
I have also understand.
Okay, Jazakallah. Now come to unlike fraction. So unlike fractions means different denominators. Okay,
Whose denominator are not same.
different denominators.
But numerator is not same. sir.
Okay, denominators are different. Take any fraction and denominator.
And numerator is not same.
4.3.
Here examples are given. And that 2 upon 3,
2.3.
3 upon 4.
4.3.
Okay, 1 upon 5.
5 over 1.
Okay, now come to proper fraction.
Yes, sir. Sir, I can tell.
Wait,
I
beta.
know proper fraction are
Beta,
two
beta,
steps.
listen to me. I am telling now. When I am going to ask you questions, you will reply on that time. Beta, mute yourself. I am telling you fast. Okay. Now here comes proper fraction. Proper fractions are the fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator less than denominator. Okay. NR stands for numerator and DR stands for denominator. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Example is given
Sir,
as
you are saying numerator is
5 upon 7, 3 upon 5. Yes, beta.
There is proper fraction. Denominator is not same. Denominator is small and
Beta,
numerator is big.
I'm not getting your voice is breaking. Your voice not coming clearly. Mute yourself. Let me complete this topic. Then you will ask me questions. Okay. Let me complete today's topic. Then you will ask me. Okay. You can ask me on if time get over. Then you can ask me on my number also. Okay. After the class. Okay. So this is proper fraction. Now come to another type of fraction. That is
okay, sir.
improper fraction.
fraction.
That is proper.
All of the students can ask me
Sir,
questions.
this type
Okay,
of fraction.
if you are not you can ask me on my number. Okay, now next one is improper fraction. Okay, improper fraction is that whose numerator is bigger.
Different.
Numerator is greater than denominator.
Denominator is greater than numerator.
Okay, is it clear?
Yes,
And-
sir.
And for unit
Sir,
and for unit fraction, what you have to do?
So,
Unit,
numerator is 1.
unit stands
Unit
for 1.
fraction-
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so unit stands
Stands for 1.
for 1. Okay, is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
So in numerator,
stand for one.
yes, in numerator there is always one.
Numerator
For
is
a
one.
fraction to become a unit fraction, there is always a one in the numerator. Okay, now the next and last type of fraction is mixed fraction or mixed
Mixed
number.
fraction.
Okay,
So it is called whole number also.
yes, whole number.
No,
No,
sir.
sir, mixed fraction is
Sir, in these types of fraction,
the
whole number
combination
are
of a
coming.
whole number.
Listen to me.
These are
Mixed fraction or mixed numbers.
Mixed number, they are
Mixed fraction
mixed
is
fraction are the combination of
It is
whole
combination
numbers
of fraction.
and
Okay,
proper
listen.
It is
fractions.
combination of fraction.
Whole number.
Sir, sir, you can tell me again that what is unit fraction?
What is unit fraction?
Yes.
Okay, beta, unit I just write on the screen also. Unit stands for one, and any fraction if in numerator there is one. Okay, any type of number should be there in denominator, but in numerator if there is one, that become a unit fraction. Okay, beta. Whole number and a proper fraction. Is it clear, beta? And proper fraction combination.
Yes, sir.
what I'm telling. I'm not getting it.
Beta, I am telling you about mixed fraction. Okay,
Okay, sir.
mixed fraction is that type of fraction which is a combination of what, beta? What you are?
Whole and proper fraction. Whole number and proper fraction.
Beta, I am telling you mixed fraction or mixed number. What is the definition?
Sir, we know it.
Listen to me first. That then I tell you na. Any fraction who is a combination means there is also a whole number. Whole number stands as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The whole number. Okay.
Yes.
And I'm giving you example, then you will understand. Okay. Suppose this is your whole number. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Whole
Yes, sir.
number, and it is combined with a proper fraction like 1/3. Okay,
1/3. Yes, sir.
Sir, I have done
this thing.
Sir, I have done this.
Okay, very good. So two
Sir,
whole
what
number,
is
two whole number, and it is combined with 1/3. So this combination, this whole combination, this fraction is called as
Mixed fraction.
mixed. Is it clear?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear,
Yes,
beta?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, but when we change this
Beta,
mixed
this
fraction, then
Beta,
answer
this will come in the upcoming topics. You concentrate here. Okay, this thing clear to you types of fraction. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
here, okay. Some examples.
Yes, sir.
Listen to me. Some examples are given. In this first example, what you have to do, you have to choose like pairs and unlike pairs. Okay, so this question will be able to answer when you understood all types of fractions, that how many types of fractions are there and what is the definition and on what basis these fractions become that particular kind. Is it clear? So for like pairs or like fractions, what you have to do? For
Yes.
like fraction, as per
You have to see
definition,
the
fractions
denominator.
with the same denominator. So you can choose it. Okay. Okay, beta.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Moving to next topic. That conversion of fraction.
Yes.
Beta, who made this line? Let me.
Raman while is hanging. Abhi hanging. Sir, my mobile is hanging very much.
Faizan, turn off your mobile. Turn off your mic. Sorry. Faizan, turn off your mic. So move to page number 65.
Mobile is hanging so much.
Beta, this is you have to make it clear all the data so that your memory is full. Clear your memory after the class. Okay, do not leave the meeting. So another topic is conversion of fraction. Okay, how you convert the fraction. Okay, beta.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now the topic is conversion of fraction. You have to convert the fraction, okay, into mixed fraction. Conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction. What is the
5.1 conversion of fraction.
page number, beta? 65. Go to page number 65. Okay, you all opened?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir,
conversion of
opened.
fraction improper to mixed.
have opened.
Okay. Beta, who is this? Beta, who is this?
This
Amreen,
voice is coming from
Amreen, Shariz, turn off your mic. So, what I'm telling you, improper fraction to improper to mixed.
Fraction.
Okay. Okay. So, what are the steps? How you do it?
Sir, I can tell.
First of all, you divide the numerator by denominator. Okay. First, you divide
Sir,
the.
we will-
Listen to me. First, you divide the numerator by denominator. Then, what you have to do? Write the quotient of a whole number and remainder as a numerator of the fractional part. Okay. Is it clear?
sir.
I am telling you by giving the example. Okay, I am. Suppose that 5/7 is given. Okay, then you divide
5 divided by 7.
7. So, okay.
Yes, sir. 5 divided by 7, sir. We
Two.
will divide.
One.
Sir, we will divide it. Sir, 5.
Two.
Sir, minus 5 divided by 7. Sir, we will write in whole
Wait.
fraction.
One.
Sir,
Sir,
we will
write
this in whole fraction. So first we will write 5/7 whole.
Okay, okay,
We will divide
okay.
5, 7
Mashallah, all of you know. All of you know.
sir,
the-
5 upon 4. Sir, this is called
Sir,
mixed
then we will
fraction, sir.
write up one as a whole and down
1 as a
two
whole, 2 upside and 5 down.
and 2 upside and down 5.
Sir,
Listen.
Then
Listen to me first. Okay.
Sir, it will be 1 upon
the
5.
answer will be 1 whole 2 upon 5.
Okay. Then
Yes.
one whole and it's a
Yes, sir. 2.5.
okay. And what remaining is 2/5. Okay. You have to write in this way. The quotient is written in a whole
I
number.
will write in this way only.
Okay. Quotient written in whole number. Okay. And remainder became numerator.
Remainder is, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Remainder is, sir. 2 is remainder, sir. Then it will be gone
Divided
upside.
is-
At the,
Seven
at the
divided
don't
is
say
divided by
upside.
side of, sir.
Don't listen.
Numerator.
Listen
Sir,
to
2
me.
will be
Listen
the
to me.
remainder and it will go upside.
Listen. Don't say upside and downside. Say numerator and denominator. You have the particular terminology for this, na? So why are you saying this upside and downside? Say it.
Yes, sir.
Comes to
because-
remainder
Sir,
comes
this
to
5 is dividend or divisor?
remainder comes to
7. Who is
numerator.
numerator parameter?
Okay. And
Sir,
next
and
one.
divide.
Next thing is that how we convert the same thing into proper fraction.
Sir, I have one query, sir.
Listen, tell me, beta.
Sir, here, sir. Sir, which in this division, sir, which is dividend?
In this question, this is the basic
Yes, sir.
question you all know, beta. This is already
Sir, here 7 is. Sir, 7 is your dividend or sir 5?
yes. Quotient is your one. Okay. The divisor means by which you are dividing the thing. Beta, you are again using the screen. Yeah. What should I do? Should I inform beta? What should I do? Should I note your name? Should
Sir,
I?
you tell that. Sir, you tell the rules about not using.
I'm also
on
telling
board.
this. You are not following my rules. You are not following my instructions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's say that this is your mixed fraction. Let's say this is 3/4, and you have to convert it into convert into improper fraction. Okay.
Sir, I can
Conversion.
tell.
Listen, conversion of
Sir, I can tell.
the weight makes to improper
Improper.
fraction. What you have to do? First, you have to multiply this
So first you have to divide.
And then you have to
Oh.
add with 3.
and
By
add
two,
3. This part will become your numerator,
numerator.
this
Sir, first we multiply to
And
4
the
and
4
3.
shares
Sir, 11 upon
4 is the answer.
and
It will-
denominator will remain the same. Okay.
The denominator
sir.
will be the 4. And the numerator will be 4 multiplied by 2. So 8
So-
plus 3.
Yes, sir. 4 will be.
4.
Sir, 11 divided.
It will become your 8/4. Okay.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it
It
clear?
will be. Yes, sir. It will become 8/2.
Yes.
8/2.
No,
sir.
11
4.
The answer will come 11/4.
11 upon 4. So
11
it will
upon
become 11 upon 4.
Beta, mute yourself.
2 will come side.
Beta, listen. Whatever the whole number is given to you, this whole number is multiplied with the denominator, and what will be the answer that is added to numerator? Okay, then your new fraction will be formed. Okay, 4 into 2 is equals to 8. This 8 is added to 3, will become your 11. Okay, so your fraction will be 11/4. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, mashallah. So now comes to next topic, because you have to do exercise number 5.2 in
Very easy mixed fraction.
assignment.
Mixed fraction very easy.
Okay, mashallah. Now come to equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go to page number 66.
The equivalent fraction are those.
Okay, what any number, okay, any fraction, you made it equivalent to fractions. Okay, what's the rule? Rule for writing equivalent fraction is that multiply numerator and denominator by any number non-zero, by any same non-zero number, any same non-zero number. Is it clear?
Sir,
Yes,
you can explain this
I
one
am-
more time.
I am all telling you again. If you have to write, any fraction is given to you, and in the question it is to be asked that you have to write equivalent fractions. So what you have to do? You have to
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
multiply. Listen. Beta, listen.
Sir, what is NR20?
Okay. I am telling it to you. What is NR? Okay. In short form, numerator is written as
Yes, sir. The screen is not visible.
okay, beta. Okay. In